Hi, good morning. So today is day 5. This is our return leg. Currently, I'm going from Udupi towards Mysore. It's a 6.5 hours ride. We'll go via Coorg to Mysore. So the plan is if I reach soon and if I'm not tired, then I'll go off to Bangalore today. Otherwise, we'll stay at my parents' place. Day 4, we were able to only go to two places. One is St. Mary's Island. It took us almost 4 hours to board the ferry, go to the island and return. And then in the evening we went to Delta Beach for the sunset. We wanted to go to Padubidri Beach in this trip, but we couldn't. It's a blue flag beach. It is there on the way. I put it in my map. I'm thinking if I must take a deviation or not. My brother is checking out in the room, so I'll see if I can go check out the parking. If it is good enough. It's tentative, still thinking. Let's see. I'll put up some B-roll from yesterday's trip. You please watch and enjoy. We'll see how today's ride goes. Will I be in Bangalore today? Will I be in Mysore? Let's see how it goes. Crossed Padubidri. Weather is very gloomy, so we did not go into the beach. I waited on highway for 15-20 minutes for my brother to catch up. Now he is here tailing me. So we are off to Puttur, which is our pitch stop 1. It's a 2-hour ride from Udupi to Puttur, about 100 kilometers. So if we do 2 hours ride, we'll be in Mysore in 2 stops. Very tiny bridge. Nice. Feels like a very old bridge from British's time. Crossing Mangalore was a breeze. Not sure if it was a ring road or bypass. We crossed Mangalore very quickly while coming from Udupi. So now we are 30 minutes away from our stop number 1 in Puttur. Today is Dasara. So there will be a procession in Mysore, in Madikeri. So we must cross Madikeri in the first half of the day, so that is why we started early. The second half there can be blockages. They might block some roads for the procession, which will be inconvenient for us. So we started early. So the plan is to reach or cross Madikeri soon. So probably we'll cross Madikeri around 12:30 if we are able to keep up the pace and go as per our plan. Let's see. Oh, these are the guys. Oh. Anyway, these things happen. Not to worry too much. We were supposed to take a right to NH 275. I missed the exit. We are still on NH 75. This is a road to Bangalore, not Puttur. But there is a U-turn 2.3 kilometers ahead, and then there is a smaller road which will connect this highway to 275. We just lost 4 minutes. Okay, so we need to go 1.5 kilometers, go back 1.5 kilometers, then take a left, and then we'll connect the Puttur somewhere in between. So not bad, about 6 kilometers before we touch NH 275. So we'll keep going, enjoy the scenery. This is like the Coffee Estate Road which we took yesterday while exiting Chikmagaluru. And definitely fun, as we'll stop in 15-20 minutes. It should not be tiring or should affect us much. We're about to rejoin the highway. Our destination is just 3 kilometers away from here. So all in all, it was okay, not so bad, not a costly mistake. Welcome to Putturu. We're hoping that the place where we are going has some parking in front, so we can keep the luggage as is and go. Let's see. If not, we'll need to replan. This is Hotel Hari Prasad. Yeah, we can park. It's a typical eatery in towns of this size, so it's all okay. We may not get a washroom. I'll see how it goes, but we have sufficient space to park right in front of the hotel, so that is good enough. Right on the door. It's 9:15. Took me 2 hours 6 minutes since I started, but probably an hour and 50 minutes ride. Quite convenient. We'll try to start from here by 10, so we can cross Madikeri by 12:15 and escape the Dasara procession. Let's see how it goes. After 30 minutes only, so that's great. We did not lose much time. NH 275 seems like a single road. It doesn't have a median in between, so this will not be a fast ride. Probably we'll try to keep between 70 and 80. As I always say, safety is paramount, and we'll leave the mile. With every mile we ride, we must enjoy, soak it all in. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Let's see. Route is quite scenic, weather is very pleasant. I hope we don't catch any rain. It will be inconvenient or inconvenience for sure. Let's see how it goes. Road is quite wet, so I'm taking it easy, not going fast, and also I got caught up in traffic a while back. So it's a single road today, 2nd of October, Thursday. So it will be a long weekend, so people should have planned trips into Coorg, so we can expect some traffic. All in all, tarmac is awesome, so no potholes, no nothing. Road is quite good. Only thing is it's a single lane highway, so have to be careful. People tend to overtake in the curves. One Vento guy almost came on me, so you must expect such people in these roads. So it's always better to be defensive and be safe. Hope for the best, but prepare for the worst is the mantra. Anyway, my brother has gone ahead, so while I got caught up in traffic, we seem to overtake them easily. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Oh, see, these are the guys. I just showed him middle finger. I think he deserved it. Anyway, let's see. Let's go. See, lot of clouds. think we may have to stop somewhere and wear our raincoats and also put the GoPro in my waterproof bag. Okay, I think I must stop somewhere here. This is the problem. My brother has gone ahead. I don't know where he is. Just I'll put my GoPro inside. Stuck in rain. We rode in rain for almost 45 minutes, so I had to take my camera off. Then it was all blue sky. We stopped for 10 minutes, removed our rain gear. It's drizzling again. We are 25 kilometers from Madikeri, so I think we have to stop again and wear our rain gear. So I'll keep the camera running without audio now. I think we'll do the same till I hit our next pit stop. So we'll do it without audio now. I think it's not worth it. ಟೀ ಕುಡ್ಸಿಬೇಕನ?
We rode from Sulya up to Kushalnagar in rain. It was a very pleasant ride. It's such a shame I couldn't record it with audio. Then we did a quick food stop in Cafe Levista before proceeding further to Mysore. We did get caught up in the heavy weekend traffic, or Dasara traffic if you will say. Then it was a coast up to Mysore. We hardly faced any hurdles, and listen to the song before I say who this little girl is. Yeah, so I picked up my daughter from my in-laws place and I'm taking her to my parents' place. So let's end today's ride here. Keep an eye for tomorrow's ride to Bangalore. Bye.